Good morning. Fall is in full swing here in New England, and it is a completely overcast day today. So I thought it might make a good day to head into the woods to try and get some detail images, maybe some waterfall or brook images with the pretty foliage surrounding it. We're not going to get the fabulous color that you can get when the sun is shining through the trees, through the leaves, but I do think it is still going to be quite pretty. So I hope to get some good shots, but even if I don't, it still should be a lot of fun today. So come along. Thanks. Alright, so we are in Evans Notch in the White Mountain National Forest. I hope you enjoyed that last little driving shot. It's one of my favorite stretches of road, and so I had to make sure to include that in this. And it is very foggy at the moment. We've come up high enough that we're into the clouds, so I'm gonna keep on going. See you soon. Okay, so I just spent a few minutes taking some photos of the birch trees in the fog right here, and I'm going to get back on the road and try and find some water that I can do photos of. Maybe the Rocky Gorge area over on the Kancamagus Highway, or maybe waterfalls in Crawford Notch or Pinkham Notch. Not sure exactly, but we'll see what we can find out. All right. Okay, so I have made it to Rocky Gorge, and there's definitely a lot of color and a lot of people, but let's go see what we can find here. Come on. Well, I've made it back to the car. There were a lot of people there, so I did a lot of waiting for folks to move. Um, so I actually ended up being here almost 2 hours. I got a few photos. Um, n- Not many, given that I was here for that long, but that's what it takes when you've got a lot of people visiting a really scenic spot. You got to just be patient and wait them out, and eventually you get a break and they all disappear for a couple of minutes and you can get your shots with no one in them. So it's right around 4 o'clock, and I don't think I'm going to head back up to Sabaday Falls. I'm pretty tired, and I've still got a 2-hour drive home. And with it already being this late and overcast, it's going to get dark quickly. Sabaday Falls is very, very dark to begin with. And I can't remember if there are actually any trees right at the falls that would be changing color, or if it's all pine trees. So I'd rather just call it a day for today, and maybe I can make it back up here while there's still fall foliage another weekend, and go ahead and give that one a whirl. But anyway, I hope you had a really great time seeing all the fall foliage. I know I had a really good time showing it to you. and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.